Welcome to our guide to the top 10 attractions in Virginia. If you're looking for an unforgettable travel experience, you've come to the right place. Virginia, often called the Mother of Presidents and the Old Dominion, is a state rich in history, natural beauty, and vibrant culture. Whether you're a history buff, an outdoor enthusiast, a beach lover, or a thrill seeker, Virginia has something extraordinary to offer everyone. Get ready to explore a diverse range of attractions that will leave you captivated and planning your next visit. Virginia's charm lies in its incredible diversity. From the majestic Appalachian Mountains to the serene Atlantic coastline, and from colonial-era towns to bustling modern cities, this state is a tapestry of experiences. You can walk in the footsteps of founding fathers, explore breathtaking national parks, relax on sun-drenched beaches, or get your adrenaline pumping at world-class theme parks. Our goal is to highlight the best of the best, providing you with a comprehensive look at why Virginia is a top destination for travelers worldwide. First on our list is Colonial Williamsburg, a living history museum that transports you back to the 18th century. This isn't just a collection of old buildings. It's an immersive experience where you can interact with costumed interpreters, witness colonial trades, and even participate in historical events. Imagine discussing revolutionary ideas with a wig maker or observing a blacksmith at work, all against the backdrop of meticulously preserved colonial architecture. It's an educational and engaging journey for all ages, offering a profound understanding of America's foundational years. Next, we venture into the embrace of nature with the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that straddles the border of Virginia and North Carolina. While a significant portion is in Tennessee, its stunning beauty and ecological diversity extend into Virginia. Renowned for its misty mountains, lush forests, and abundant wildlife, it's a paradise for hikers, photographers, and nature lovers. Explore countless trails, discover cascading waterfalls, and keep an eye out for black bears and elk. The park's ancient mountains and rich cultural history make it a truly unique and breathtaking destination. Staying with nature's grandeur, Shenandoah National Park is another jewel in Virginia's crown. Famous for its iconic Skyline Drive, a 105-mile scenic byway that winds along the crest of the Blue Ridge Mountains, it offers unparalleled panoramic views. There are over 500 miles of hiking trails, from leisurely strolls to challenging climbs, leading to waterfalls, stunning vistas, and serene forests. The park is a haven for wildlife, including deer, black bears, and various bird species. Whether you visit in spring for wildflowers, summer for lush greenery, or fall for vibrant foliage, Shenandoah promises an unforgettable experience. Stepping back into history, we arrive at Monticello, the architectural masterpiece and beloved home of Thomas Jefferson, 3rd U.S. President and author of the Declaration of Independence. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a fascinating glimpse into Jefferson's life, intellect, and innovations. Tour the elegant mansion, explore the beautiful gardens, and learn about the lives of the enslaved people who lived and worked on the plantation. Monticello is not just a house. It's a profound reflection of the ideals and complexities of early America, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in American history and architecture. Equally significant is Mount Vernon, the historic estate of George Washington, the first president of the United States. Situated majestically along the Potomac River, this meticulously preserved property provides an intimate look at Washington's life as a planter, military leader, and statesman. Explore the mansion, the gardens, the various outbuildings, and the tombs of George and Martha Washington. Mount Vernon offers a powerful connection to the nation's origins, allowing visitors to grasp the daily life and profound legacy of the man who led America to independence. For those seeking sun, sand, and ocean breezes, Virginia Beach is your perfect destination. This vibrant coastal city boasts miles of pristine beaches, a lively boardwalk, and a wide array of activities. Whether you want to relax on the sand, swim in the Atlantic, try your hand at surfing, or cycle along the boardwalk, Virginia Beach offers endless fun. Beyond the beach, you'll find excellent dining, entertainment venues, and attractions like the Virginia Aquarium and Marine Science Center. It's a fantastic spot for family vacations, romantic getaways, or a fun trip with friends. Thrill seekers, rejoice! Busch Gardens Williamsburg is an award-winning European-themed amusement park that promises excitement for all ages. Known for its thrilling roller coasters, entertaining shows, and beautifully themed villages representing different European countries, it offers a unique blend of adventure and cultural immersion. From the dizzying heights of Griffin to the wild turns of Loch Ness Monster, the rides are exhilarating. Beyond the thrills, enjoy live performances, delicious food, and charming shops that transport you to another continent. It's a fantastic day out for families and adrenaline junkies alike. Our next stop takes us to Richmond, Virginia's capital city, a place where deep history meets a vibrant, contemporary culture. Richmond played a pivotal role in American history, serving as the capital of the Confederacy during the Civil War. Today, you can explore historic battlefields, monuments, and museums like the American Civil War Museum. But Richmond is also a thriving hub for arts, food, and craft beer. Explore its diverse neighborhoods, admire its impressive street art, and indulge in its renowned culinary scene. It's a city that continuously evolves while honoring its past. Prepare to be amazed as we descend into the breathtaking Luray Caverns, the largest caverns in the eastern United States. Located in the Shenandoah Valley, these ancient limestone caves feature stunning stalactites, stalagmites, flowstone, and shimmering pools. The highlight is the Great Stalagpipe organ, the world's largest musical instrument, which produces tones by gently tapping the stalactites. A visit to Luray Caverns is an otherworldly experience, showcasing the incredible artistry of nature over millions of years. It's a cool escape and a wonder to behold. Finally, for aviation and space enthusiasts, the National Air and Space Museum's Stephen F. Udvar-Hazy Center near Washington Dulles International Airport is a marvel. This massive annex to the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum houses thousands of aviation and space artifacts, including the Space Shuttle Discovery, the Enola Gay bomber, and the Concorde supersonic jet. It's an awe-inspiring collection that tells the story of human ingenuity and exploration in the skies and beyond. Walking among these giants of flight is an unforgettable experience, offering a deep dive into the history of aerospace. And there you have it, our top 10 attractions in Virginia. From the historic depths of Colonial Williamsburg and the majestic peaks of Shenandoah to the sunny shores of Virginia Beach and the underground wonders of Luray Caverns, Virginia truly offers something for every traveler. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the rich tapestry of experiences awaiting you in the Old Dominion. Which attraction are you most excited to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel guides, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Start planning your Virginia journey today. You won't regret it.